All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto market trader today. I want to talk about the Bitcoin today. I feel pretty confident, guys, that this downside cycle, this bear cycle we're in, is not over. And you already know my outlook on the situation because I have been talking about it and anticipating price action to go at least to the first major correction level, 38.2 Fibonacci, which sits at 73,850. 73,850, that's our next target. We haven't gotten there yet, but I think we're on the way. Especially given the fact that price action was able to successfully close the weekly bar below 84,440. Not just a weekly close confirmation, but also a monthly close confirmation. Now on the local scale, we see something quite interesting as well that supports our bearish conviction, and that is the failure to break above 82,170. 82,170 as opposed to 84,440 is a local support level. And it also got broken by the weekly bar last week, so immediately switched to being resistance. And it got tested. It got tested this week. Take a close look at what's going on here. What I'm really impressed about is the way price action tried to cross above 82,170, and it was successful for a while. But now take a look, it's landing back down. So that's interesting. It looks like price action doesn't have enough strength to pull itself above 82,170, and that's a very good sign for us. Now you can check it up from up close. Take a close look. That speaks volume, guys. Now we only have one trade in, but we're going to be doubling up our position size very, very soon. I just want to make sure price action starts to base itself below 82,170. Right now, it's just testing it. It's kind of challenging it, right? So we might have to wait to the end of the day to get that daily close confirmation below 82,170, and then we're doubling up, potentially even tripling up, because position is currently very, very small. We already took profit off the table on the way down, but this is where we probably would like to rebuild that position all over again, right? At the end of the day, we got a long way to go to 73,850. Now, once we hit that level, once we hit 73,850, we're gonna have to take the back seat and wait for further clarification, because price action might use the 38.2 Fibonacci as the last line of support and might find a bottom there and then start to build the next upside trend, right? So yeah, 73,850, this is our first major profit target. In case price action starts to break below, right, starts to cross below 73,850, we will start to speculate that it will continue this downside trajectory to the next major Fibonacci correction level, which is 50%, sitting right here at 62,625. Right, so that's the game plan. We're either going to pick it up from 73,850, having a bullish conviction, or once it starts to crack down below, we're going to continue our bearish outlook, our bearish conviction with the next target, 62,625, represented by the 50% Fibonacci correction. We also have, we have more. If you want to talk about downside potential, we can go as low as 61.8 Fibonacci, the golden ratio, right? Sitting at 51,680. Last but not least, 76.4, last line of correction by definitions, 37,843. So yeah, it's going to be super interesting. I have a feeling we're going to be sitting tightly on the Bitcoin for a while. So buckle up. It's going to be super interesting. All right, guys, that's about that for this one. Bitcoin, bearish conviction for us still intact. We will come back to follow up and keep you posted. In the meantime, I want to wish you a nice trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual. So till then, be well.